Hello, hello. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. I know it's what is it like? It's a Sunday first of all, and then 4th of July. So I know many of you might be traveling and spending time with friends and family. So have a happy 4th of July. I hope the freedom here we utilize it and use it on the right way anytime. That's what I always feel. Freedom is what is it like meaningless if you don't use it the right way. So happy 4th of July once again. And for today I wore my 12th anniversary sari. This is silk cotton, which is my favorite, I would say, all the time. That's one. Hi Kusuma, good morning. You are one of the person who is early, up and early all the time, which is hi Madhu. Madhu, see, even you got up for my day today, because that's how usually I'll be early. But today I wanted to give you guys a little bit of time so that I can have some people for my live. So thank you so much for hopping on. And as I said, today it's my 12th anniversary sari. So I just have one more for tomorrow, and then we'll switch to this a different one. I'm yet to pick which one I'm going. What, you are extra polite today, huh? Is it how you are? So for today's eye look, this again I did it last time, but I changed a little bit based on the new colors, and I made very slight differences in the eye look. It's more of a pink, but I mixed a brown. Thank you, Madhu. Thank you so much. So what I did is, you all know, usually I use what is that? Natural tan to color correct, because that's almost close to my skin. But today, since it's a pink eye look, I have used mulberry. This is, you can see, it's very what is it, like a pale pink, but it's that's the one I use to color correct, because that will enhance the pink. So that's the first one I have used. And for the second color in my crease, what I did is I have used cherry blush sense. This is our cream blush. If you can see how much I have used in all these years, that's how much, because it's so concentrated when it comes to our blushes. So you need a very tiny bit, and I mixed it with garnet, which is another brown shadow sense. Thank you, Madhu. This is from Vriksham actually. This is a very, maybe 3-4 years back I got it. And since this has pink and gold, and I made most of pink in eye look and lip look, I just paired it with what is it, like a simple jhumka for today. And I wore a ruby pink bangle from Vimi's collection. So this is one I was like looking for so long. So finally, I think today only I'm wearing it. So this is the one. So the only difference between shadows and blush as shadow is, this is little bit liquid consistency, not as liquidy, but still it's compared to a shadow sense, you need to give a little bit more time. So you can use it in your lips, you can use it as a obviously as a blush, and also you can use it as a eyeshadow. So today I mixed these two. Thank you, Madhu. Thank you so much. No, Madhu, as I always say, I am a old school. Like, it takes so much time. Thank you, Kusuma. Thank you so much. It takes so much time for me to come out of my comfort zone and try something new. So I always, what is it, like, take one step at a time. Nothing much. It's not like a drastic change and all. I still try to be in my comfort zone, but I still try to push. If you see, that's why I'm doing the July Sari Challenge, as well as parallelly I'm trying for the reels too. So because videos are I mean, if I ask to do as a about the product, I can talk for hours, but doing a reels with the editing, it takes time. I know Kusma will know how long it is. So doing it every single day, it is like so much planning goes on that too, along with saree and the whole look, accessories, everything. So I try to plan everything at least a day before so that it goes seamless, and because you need to still clean your brushes and all those stuff. Thank you, Madhu. Thank you so much. I hope, what is it like? I know once you start getting comfortable, time will fly. So I know this July will be I can look back and cherish these memories because it will have so much to do. So that's what, so I mixed these two colors, so you can see it's a little bit darker, but I mixed the pink and the brown, and I also brought it a little bit on my lower lashes. And then I used another pretty pink shade. This is called Sun Baked Shimmer. So that's the one I have used in my middle part of the eye and blended it to the outer corner. This is such a pretty shade. Like we do have so many shimmers in pink. We have what's it like, a mauve shimmer, we have rose shimmer. Like if you ask for a pink shimmer, there are like plenty of choices for you to make. So that's the one. And then what I did is, to match the gold, I used Twilight Shimmer. This is so pretty because it I think these and all you will see the prettiness in person and also in the sunlight, because it has like different type of glitters in it. So that's the one I have used just in the inner corner, so to bring the gold accent to the whole eye look. So that's another color. And today I think past 2 days I've been using the pencil or some liquid liners. Today I used Onyx Shadow Sense. That's the one I have used as my winged liner, and also I brought it to the lower waterline just to smoke out a little bit, because either pink can go with brown, or pink and black is always the standard combination. So those are the things I have used for my eye look. And for my lip look, obviously I went for Purple Rain to match the pink here, because that's, again, I was debating between Kiss for a Cause, Summer Treat and Purple Rain. Then I went with Purple Rain for my today, and I topped it with pink tourmaline gloss. Again, this gloss has a lot of what is it like, specks of blue glitters, I would say, kind of like a blue and purple glitters. So since I have, my eye look had more glitters, I wanted to go with glitter for my lips too. So that's the look for the lips. And hope you all are staying safe and started to go out a little bit to enjoy today for the first time after how long? I think the last time we went to a theme park, it was in 10th birthday of Krish, so that was around 2.5 years before. So today we are going for a theme park, Caravans here, which is my first time in my 6 years. Usually I'm not an outdoor person at all, so I like to stay home and just enjoy. And thank you, Madhu, thank you so much for all the hearts actually. So today I'm going out with a friend's family, so hopefully tomorrow I don't be like a completely tanned person. Let's see how much I'm definitely taking both the sunscreen, but still it's going to be really hot out after 3. So let's see how it goes. You all enjoy your Sunday, and once again happy 4th of July. Thank you, Madhu, thank you so much. Like I am not going to be in any rides for sure. It's just more of company, and I'll be the person who can handle the bags. That's all I think I'm going to do. So take care and see you all soon tomorrow. Have a wonderful day, guys.